Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a heated debate, Filmora versus CapCut. Now we all know CapCut has its fans, but stick around because I'm going to show you why Filmora might just be the ultimate CapCut replacement for so many creators. Let's start with the obvious. CapCut is undeniably user-friendly, but Filmora, it takes video editing to a whole new level with its power and versatility. First up, let's talk about AI tools. Filmora's AI-powered features are absolutely game-changing. We're talking AI text-to-video, AI image to video AI, audio to video AI smart cutout, AI music creation, AI motion tracking, AI voice cloning, beat sync, and auto-reframing. And that's just the beginning. With 22 plus powerful AI tools, Filmora simplifies every single step of the video creation process, from brainstorming ideas to final export. It's like having a personal editing assistant. But here's the kicker. Even without the AI tools, Filmora is packed with features that outshine CapCut: advanced color grading, keyframing for animations, pro audio mixing, incredible transitions and effects, plus a library of ready-to-use templates that let you create stunning videos with just a few clicks. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but isn't it super complicated? Don't worry, it's not. Filmora's interface is designed to be super user-friendly, so even beginners can get the hang of it quickly. And once you're comfortable, you can dive into those advanced features and unleash your creativity. So there you have it. Filmora isn't just a replacement for CapCut. It's a major upgrade. It's the all-in-one, powerful tool that helps you create professional-looking videos effortlessly. Ready to try it out? Click the link below to download your free trial and discover why Filmora is the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.